Alright, we're rolling.
Here we are on Corner Peak, but we're not sure this is Corner Peak. We put a note over there on that hill.
Hang on, I gotta zoom in on us here. Oh, there, come on.
Do you have audio, I wonder?
Yeah. Alright, so that's the hill.
That's what they say is Corner Peak.
And that cairn over there.
That little...
There was a note in a bottle. Guy explicitly explaining that this is not Corner Peak. But Neil is going to tell you what the old timers said about Corner Peak.
Corner Peak, I think.
Is that all they said?
Isn't it? Yeah.
How's your trip going so far?
It's alright. We're standing right between the two forks of Swift Creek.
Yep, there's Antoinette.
Antoinette behind, Beaver behind you.
This is a nasty little fork of Swift Creek. And over here is the fork where the trail comes up and the pond. Checking it all out. Yeah, there's Antoinette, and straight beyond Antoinette is the big piece of expensive granite. Can't really see it though. There it is. Anyway, it's smoky. A lot prettier on this side of the planet.
To the right of it, 7 Mile Flat.